In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a really useful bookmark bar in Chrome, and then how to make use of the Chrome Webstore to add particularly useful extensions onto Chrome. So you can see first of all that I'm already logged in to my school account here, so my data is synced. So this means if I end up swapping to a different laptop, I'd still be able to make use of everything I'm going to do now. So in order to get my bookmark bar turned on, first of all, I'm going to my three-dot menu. I'm going to bookmarks and show bookmarks bar. So this gives me this strip along here just under the search bar web address in Chrome. So in this, I currently have nothing useful bookmark, so I'm going to bookmark my Google Drive so that in the future I can access it with one click rather than searching or typing in. So this is my drive. You can see at the end of the web address here, there's a star. I'm going to click on this star and it brings it up automatically. It says bookmarks bar here. But what I'm going to do is delete that text and leave the name empty and then press done. So what that's done is added the icon for Drive without any text. So now if I click on this one click, it will take me straight to it. So that's the bookmark bar, just images, which means you can fit loads on there. So you can see quite how much I have in my own account. Okay, the other quick trick we're going to look at is the Chrome Webstore, which you can just search for and it will bring it up for you. So in this is a load of extensions you can use to personalize your Chrome experience. So I'm just going to show you one or two that are particularly useful for students to show you how you add things. So Grammarly is top of lots of student and teachers lists. Grammarly for Chrome, once you've selected the one you want, you can check reviews to make sure it's something that would be useful. And then you press the blue Add to Chrome button and then Add Extension. So you can see it's temporarily downloading here. Depending on the speed of your Wi-Fi, this can be usually quite quick. Adding to Chrome, and then it's done. So now if I go to this jigsaw piece up here, I can see it's been added. So inside here, I'm going to then pin it so I can see it straight away. Grammarly will ask you to create an account, and then it's super helpful. A few other things in the Chrome Web Store that are particularly helpful. Bitmoji may suit you. There's lots of options like Screencastify, which will allow you to do what I'm doing now. I use Nimbus, which is also in here. You could also add Google Translate onto here. There's a really nice one called Dual-S, which will split your screen in half. So this is particularly useful for Google Meet when you're presenting. It makes your one screen look like a dual monitor, so you can have your presentation and your faces in your Meet next to each other. I also would recommend Read Write, which is super helpful, particularly for students with special educational needs. It builds in all sorts of tools for you to use on any website and PDFs. So the key thing with the Chrome Web Store is to have a little explore about what is useful. For nearly every Google application, there are useful extensions. Some are subject specific. You can kind of filter them further down here as well. Okay, so that's our two things, Bookmark Bar and Chrome Web Store.